Boost your KDP sales with A plus content. Let's dive in. Head over to kdp.amazon.com. Select the marketing tab. In the A plus content section, choose your marketing place, then click on A plus content. Click on the Start Creating A plus content. Now for the content name, write the book title you want to create the A plus content for. Now click on the Add module. You can choose a module that fits your style. Let me show you some examples I found on competitors list. Here you can find image size requirements. Next, go to Canva and click on Create a Design. Choose Custom Size, enter the measurements you got from KDP and then click on Create New Design. Here is an example of competitors listing. They use their cover image as the background for A plus content and simply enlarge the same image from the cover. You can do the same by zooming in your cover from your listing. For the consistency, you can also use the same title and subtitle in the same format as on your cover page. First, set the cover image as the background. Then adjust the transparency to suit your needs. Upload the cover pages here. We are going to make it look like this. Add extra images here and rearrange them according to your preferences. Let's change the background color. A dark color will help the image in the foreground stand out. Now let's add borders to the image. Click on these lines and choose the borders you prefer. Adjust the border weight according to your needs. Download the image by clicking on the share button and select JPG format. Upload the image here. Add alt text with relevant keyword. Click Add to insert the image. Be sure to preview it in the both mobile and desktop versions. Let's add more modules. Next, let's learn how to add a comparison chart. Create a new design on Canva using these measurements. Paste the cover here. Adjust them to fit in this size. Finally, download the image and add it to the KDP. Remember to add alt text and keywords here. Add the title of the book and ASIN. Do the same for as many books as you want. Let's use this small logo module. However, the size here might not be large enough. If you only want to promote your brand, this module will work well. Set up the image according to your requirements. I am adding the cover image, title, and a few interior images to give buyers a better idea of the content in the book. Download the image and add it. Let's preview the modules. This is how it will look so far. Let's add a new page and insert some text. Insert additional example pages and arrange them around the text. Format everything according to your preferences. Finally, add one more module. At the end, preview all the modules to check if any changes are needed. Now complete the next step by adding ASIN and submit everything for review. It typically takes about a day for your content to be approved and go live. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.